Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Audi A3 versus Virtus GT, which is better. I'll start by outlining key differences in driving feel, cabin quality, and features to guide your decision. Listen for handling notes, typical running costs, and what each model gives you for the price. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which car suits commuting, spirited driving, or family use based on traits that matter most to buyers. Compare acceleration, chassis balance, and braking feel between these two. I explain how engine tuning affects daily driving and highway passes, and where each car shines on twisty roads or long trips. Expect notes on ride comfort versus sportiness, transmission behavior, and steering feedback. This section helps you judge whether you prefer a sharper setup or a more relaxed GT character when choosing between the A3 and Virtus GT. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight, stack conveniently, and prevent spills during transport. They pair nicely with a sporty hatch or sedan if you bring lunches on weekend drives. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab a set if you want less mess on the road. Now let's get back to the video. I'll walk through cabin quality, rear space, and cargo practicality in relatable terms. Expect details on seat comfort for taller passengers, storage cubbies, and how easy controls are to use while driving. I'll also cover infotainment responsiveness and connectivity options that matter for daily commutes. This helps you weigh whether a premium feel or greater practicality is more important for your lifestyle and routine trips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.